Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nude, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. I've missed you guys so much. It's been a couple weeks that I haven't recorded, and it's been a while since I've done a try-on haul. You guys got my last try-on haul. Well, I don't know if it was my last one. My last Fashion Nova one. You guys got that haul to 1 million views, and I just cannot believe it. Like, I'm so shocked. 1 million views? Really, guys? I love you. But I have 1 million views, but not even 20K subscribers. So do me a favor, go hit that subscribe button down below right now. Pause this video, go hit the subscribe button, cause I'm about to bring that fire. I'm about to bring that fire for you guys, okay? For the next couple videos, I promise you I'm bringing you guys that work, okay? I'm really going to try my best to stay consistent. I was a little bit sick. I had a stomach ulcer. I be telling you guys all my business, but I had a stomach ulcer. I was sick. So I hadn't recorded. I wasn't even able to eat. Like, it was crazy. So, yeah, I just took some time off to, like, get right with myself. Also, I was going through some things with friends and bullshit. So, but I'm back. Your girl is back. I hope you guys missed me. Today I have another try-on haul for you guys from none other than Fashion Nova, and I'm super excited. I got some really cute pieces. It's not a huge haul, but I feel like if everything fits how it's supposed to, this is gonna be a good haul. So don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, y'all. I can't stress that enough. Subscribe. Y'all want a giveaway? Because I'm gonna do a $200 giveaway when I get to 50K subscribers. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Someone already won $100 when I got to, I think, 10K. Yeah, I did a 10K giveaway for $100. So my 50K giveaway is gonna be $200. So if y'all want that Nushi stimmy, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below your favorite piece, comment down below what you want to see from me going forward, and I'll try to deliver. And yeah, guys, anyways, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, so if you're used to watching my try-on hauls, you know I usually start with, like, disappointments, but not this time. Not this time, guys. I have this pant set on. It's like in a nude color, like a true nude, like taupe color, and it's in a size 2X, and it's called Chosen One pant set. Chosen One pant set, and this is what it looks like. Y'all, it fits the booty right, as you guys can see. It fits my waist. It's a little loose, but I love that. It's super flowy, and it goes all the way to my feet, which is perfect, and I absolutely love that. So I love the top and the way that the top fits. It's super, like, loose and, like, flowy. I feel like this is perfect for, like, the spring coming to summer time. It's a little loose at the crotch area, but I could fix that if it really bothers me. But it doesn't really bother me all that much, to be honest with you. But yeah, I love that it goes all the way to my feet. I love that. I absolutely love that. It's really hard for me to find things like that because y'all know I'm 5'10". So, but yeah, y'all know that I'm 5'10", so it's really hard for me to find pants that go all the way to the floor, and these go past, like, a little bit past the floor. Like, these are really, really long, so I absolutely love that. And yeah, I'll definitely be wearing this. Let me just give you guys the back view again, and the sides. Yeah, really love it. All right, next piece. All right, guys, so the next thing I got is this two-piece set. Yo, I got this in a size extra large. It is called, what is this even called? I don't even know what this is called, but I'll put it on the screen for you guys. This is so cute. It's so dope, but it doesn't quite fit, guys. It's a little too short. I could pull it down, but then I could have some crack showing. It's just not quite fitting. I have to decide if I want to keep it just for the top, because I have a green set like this and like some leggings, like it's leggings and a top. I absolutely love it, and I wear the top all the time with like other things. So I'm like, do I want to keep this set and just like wear it for the top? Because that would be cute too, and I really like the color. The color is really cute. Oh, I got some deodorant stains on it. The top is really cute. The skirt's cute too. It's just a little too short. But I see why it's short, because if it was longer, it would make it a little formal, right? And it's more of a mini skirt set. It's just not made for people as tall as me. And that's okay. That's okay. This is an extra large. So if you're shorter than me, you could probably go with this. But if your booty is banging and popping, you can't go with this. It's just like, you can't really see my booty right now, but if I'm walking around, it will slip out. So I just know that I can't wear this comfortably. So I really have to decide if it makes sense for me to keep this, you know? But yeah, guys, absolutely love this one. Hope you guys like it too. Yeah, next piece. So this next item is this ruched dress. It's in like a periwinkle Barney purple color. I absolutely love it. You could tighten it and make the ruching go up more. Y'all know I love ruched dresses. It definitely accentuates your curves. I'll show you guys the back, and the side, and the front. And this is not too short, which I love. It's this nice purple color, which goes great on my skin tone, guys. Yeah, I love it. I would definitely wear this like on vacation or something. The only thing is like the material is kind of like cottony. You could feel the mix of polyester, but it has some cotton in there, so I feel like it will show like sweat stains. So I'm apprehensive to wear this in like hot weather, because I do sweat a lot. So I don't know. I'd have to think about that. But I absolutely love it. Look how cute. Like, this is so cute. Like, with some clear sandals, this is a vibe. This is super cute. Hope you guys like it. It's called the Lhasa dress or something like that. I'll have it on the screen for you guys, as well as the sizing. I think it's a large, but not too sure, to be honest with you. But yeah, I absolutely love this one. Alright, guys, next. Alright, so these next two pieces, I want to emphasize the fact that I would not wear these together. However, I just paired them together because, you know, they're both from Fashion Nova. It's this cropped like tie shirt. It's in like a nude blush color. And then these pants, these are the Canopy jeans in gray. They have the splits on the knees, and they are long. I always have to fix the crotch because, as you guys can see, it's really low. My crotch is all the way up here, so I am gonna have to fix the crotch. But I absolutely love these jeans. They're super, super, super cute. As you guys can see, they fit really nicely. So if you don't have a super high crotch like me and you're tall, these will fit. I always get them in a 3X, so I have enough room to tailor them the way that I like. This top, I think it's in a large. I'm pretty sure it's in a large. I got it in a large because I knew I could get a medium, but I just like it to fit comfortably. So that's what it's doing. I'll probably flip that in. Go up so you guys can see. So yeah, guys. Again, this is not a look. Like, this is just me trying them on together for you guys, so you guys could see how they look. But yeah, I'll probably pair this with like just some regular jeans. And these pants I'll probably pair with a gray top, because just to emphasize the gray in them, because they don't really look gray. They have like, they're like a little bit faded gray. So yeah. Alright guys, so this next item, I know it doesn't look like much because the pants fit weird, but I don't know if you guys remember my last Fashion Nova try-on haul. I got these same pants in brown, and they were a hit. Let me insert a picture for you guys so you guys can see what it looked like. Absolutely popping. So this is like basically the same thing. They're just in this like cream color. I don't think it's picking up on camera, but it is like a cream color. Let's see if I come closer if you guys could see. I don't know. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's like a cream color. And I got it to pair with this top. This top is absolutely a hit. Like, this top is a hit. I absolutely love it. Let me just turn around in the back so you guys can see the back. This is what the back looks like. The top does tie. You can kind of tie it however you want. This is how I like it. I think this is how the model tied it too, if I'm not mistaken. Just crisscrossed and around the neck, just to leave the peekaboo out for a little cleavage. But yeah, I absolutely love this top. Love these pants. When I tailor them, they're gonna be fire. It's just that the crotch is really low, so they fit really weird on me. But once I fix them, they're gonna be banging. I promise you. I'll post a picture just for y'all. I know, like, it just doesn't look like much when I have it on right now, but I promise you, it's gonna be fire. I'm gonna wear it with some clear heels, and I'm gonna wear it to some place that matters, because this is a hit. Anyways, guys, hope you like this one. I'm like trying to style myself when I'm picking out these outfits so that they can come together, so I'm not searching for pieces to pair with them. I can just get them all together, you know what I mean? So let me just give you guys a back view one more time. Alright guys, so the next piece is this one piece right here. I have the name of it on the screen for you guys. Guys, this is like so risque. Really risque. Like really risque. It has the legs out. It's definitely like a vacation vibe. I would wear it. Definitely, I would take a fire picture in it. But I think I'd wear it to like dinner or something. Somewhere where like I know that I'm not going to be moving around too much, because things will fall out. 100% things will fall out. I love it though. Let me just show you guys the back. I wish it was like a color, you know? This is super cute. I don't know how it looks on me, really, because I can only see what shows in the viewfinder, and I'm not good with my eyesight. My eyesight is terrible, so I really don't know how it looks on me. But from what I can see, I think I like it. I didn't think it was gonna fit. It's in an extra large, and I thought I was gonna be too tall for it, but it does actually go pretty far down my ankle, so that's cool. Probably wear it for my birthday trip in May. But yeah, guys, you can't wear any undergarments with this. Like, if you think you're gonna wear a bra or some panties, you're mistaken, okay? You're gonna look like a fool. Yeah, I feel a little naked with like everything out like this, but yeah, this is it. This is it, guys. This is actually the last piece. I'm actually really sad. I wish I got more stuff. Alright guys, so that is it for today's try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love all of my pieces. I'm gonna have to see about that two-piece skirt set because I really like it. It's just the skirt is really short, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Like, maybe I'll be able to add like a black trim or something. I really don't know. I don't know. I might give the skirt to like somebody else and keep the shirt because I really like the top, and I actually like the whole set. You know, I don't think I can wear that. How? You know what I mean? So, yeah, but let me know what your favorite piece was. Let me know if you see my vision with the kind of cream colored leather pants and the green top. Let me know if you see my vision, because I'm making that come to life, baby. Watch. Period. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy your Easter. I hope you guys have a blessed weekend, and thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I definitely will be doing some more try-on hauls. They're coming soon, I promise. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.